The purpose of this page is for you to provide general information about your organization and to describe the internal and external environment context under which the assessment is being conducted. You can either pre-fill this from an existing assessment by ticking this box and selecting the previous assessment to copy over from. In the General section, you will be asked to include the framework and the background context of the assessment, while the Business Objectives section requires you to explain how your organization's goals relate to the compliance program being assessed. In the Business Profile section, you can summarize the type and size of company or division being reviewed, or in the next field, the lines of business in scope. Finally, you can insert any additional comments and the next review date for future assessments, and add supporting documents to provide documentary evidence to support the assessment context. To save all the changes, click on Save and Proceed.